Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Call of Duty World at War game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and once you are taken into the store page, click on the search box and then type in Call of Duty World at War to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer and the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle or edition. Then you can click on View My Cart to continue towards your payment. Finally, you can use your Steam wallet balance or one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. And once you enter all of your credentials to finalize your transaction, the game will be added to your library as soon as your transaction is completed. You can now choose your install location, and once the download and installation is completed, you can start enjoying the Call of Duty World at War game on your device right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Call of Duty World at War game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.